Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Culinary Director at Good Housekeeping, and today we're going to make a very delicious pasta salad. And the trick to this one is that we're grilling the vegetables. It adds some smokiness and a real depth of flavor that you don't get with just tossing stuff together. You can make pasta salad with just about any shaped pasta, but what you're looking for is a short one with lots of nooks and crannies so that it will trap the veggies and the dressing. Look for shapes like penne with ridges, fusilli, gemelli, or even shells with ridges. Basil is such a perfect summer herb, and I think there's nothing better to dress a pasta salad than pesto. Homemade from the farmer's market, it's delicious. If you don't have the time to do that, you can cheat and go to the supermarket and get Giovanni Rana. It's a really good one. When you're making pasta salad, you want to dress it immediately. No need to rinse it, just toss it with the pesto flavors and then let it sit. If you're adding any crisp veggies to your pasta salad, make sure that your pasta is cool before you do that so they won't wilt. In hot weather, it's better to serve food on smaller platters. That way you can swap them out after an hour or so in hot temperatures. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes and tips, check out goodhousekeeping.com.